Today we are going to solve a match the following that involves dehydration reaction and the reagents. Question is here. They are given three reactions. In all the reactions, water molecule is removed to give the product. What is the reagent used for that? First one, it is amide. It is getting converted into isocyanate by removing water molecule. What is the reagent for this? Second one, N-hydroxythalamide reacts with butanol to give corresponding O-alkylated product. Third one, acid reacts with tertiary butanol to give tertiary butyl ester. The reagent side, first one is triphenylphosphine and diethyl asa dicarboxylate. Second one, POCl3 and triethylamine. Third one, it is sulfuric acid. In order to solve this, you should know the name reaction called Mitsunobu reaction. Second one, it is similar to Wilsmeyer-Hack reaction. Now, let us go to the first one, that is Mitsunobu reaction. You might have come across this reaction. Generally, it is used to invert the stereochemistry of alcohol. For example, if there is an alcohol like this, to convert this to this one, we use Mitsunobu reaction. Here the reagent used is triphenylphosphine and diethyl asa dicarboxylate. This is the structure of diethyl asa dicarboxylate. And we add one acid also to this. What happens? This triphenylphosphine combines with DED, that is diethyl asa dicarboxylate, like this. Now, this triphenylphosphine has positive charge. This is attacked by alcohol. Say this alcohol. This attacks here to give another intermediate like this. The hydrogen is taken by this N-. So we get this intermediate. Because of this positive charge, there is del plus on this carbon. That is attacked by acid from the opposite direction to give a product like this. You can see here the stereochemistry of the alcohol has been inverted here. Further, if I reduce this with lithium aluminum hydride, or if I subject this to hydrolysis, then the ester undergoes hydrolysis to give the alcohol. So the stereochemistry in the starting material has been inverted in the product. So this is Mitsunov reaction. The reagent whatever we use is triphenylphosphine and diethyl asa dicarboxylate. Simply we call it DADE. Sometimes they may give diisopropyl also. Instead of ethyl, it may be isopropyl. That also commercially available. Now, the given options, triphenylphosphine and DADE has been given. This is used to convert alcohol to ester. So that is nothing but this one. So C, it has to be matched with P. Second one, it is POCl3 and triethylamine. You may be familiar with Wills-Meyer-Haag reaction. In this reaction, amide, generally we go for DMF, dimethylformamide. It is treated with POCl3. This attacks POCl3 to give an intermediate like this. Further, the Cl minus attacks here, and what we get is, so this is the intermediate in Wills-Meyer-Haag reaction. This is attacked by a nucleophile to give the formulated product. In our problem, it is not NN-dimethyl. Instead of that, we have NH like this. In such case, we may get a similar product like this. Instead of methyl, I have hydrogen. Now, the PO minus, whatever got eliminated, that takes this proton and this bond falls over nitrogen to give this intermediate. Now, this lone pair eliminates Cl to give intermediate like this. So there is positive charge on nitrogen. This Cl minus take this, and what we get is isocyanate. There is plus charge on nitrogen and minus charge on carbon. So this is isocyanide. A similar reaction, it is also known with amide, simple amide like this. There are two hydrogens. If you treat this with POCl3, the product whatever we get will be nitrile. A mechanism is similar to this. You can try and you can practice yourself. So the amide is converted into isocyanide using POCl3 and triethylamine. There is only one more reaction is left, that is conversion of N-hydroxythalamide to O-alkylated product. So that can be achieved using sulfuric acid. When you add sulfuric acid to butanol, H plus coordinates here to give this oxonium ion. This can be easily attacked by nucleophile. nucleophile attacks here and we get the corresponding product. In our case, the nucleophile is N-hydroxythalamide. So this attacks to give the corresponding O-alkylated product. Suppose if you add sulfuric acid to this reaction, what will happen? That is butanoic acid and tertiary butanol. What will be the product? Is it possible to carry out this reaction in the presence of H plus? Esterification in the presence of acid is very well known reaction. Acid and alcohol combines to give ester in the presence of acid. But in the case of tertiary butanol, the reaction follows some other pathway. That is, when you add H plus to this, it forms carbocation and this prefers to undergo elimination to give this olefin instead of attacking by acid. So this reaction pathway is less favored compared to the earlier one. So we get the elimination product. So this is not a suitable condition for esterification with tertiary butanol. If it is methanol, then the reaction will proceed in the presence of H plus. The case of tertiary butanol, the reaction pathway is different. We have to match this O alkylation with H2SO4. Now let's go to the options. A, the condition, it is Q, but in this they have mentioned P. So these two are wrong. In this two, it is correct. A has been matched with Q, that is POCl3 and triethylamine. B should be matched with R. So this is correct. But in this one, it is matched with the P, that is triphenylphosphine and date. So this is wrong. So the answer is 2.